Alright, what's up guys? So today I'm going to teach you how to play Virginia Beach by Drake, and it's 4 chords and there's going to be a capo on the 4th fret, and everything I teach is relative to the capo. But the 4 chords are A minor 7, E minor 7, F major 7, and this 4th chord I'm not really too entirely sure what the name is, and so just bear with me on that. But with that being said, let's hop into it. All right guys, so the first chord is A minor 7, and that would be the 2nd fret D string and the 1st fret B string. It's gonna sound like this. And the 2nd chord is gonna be an E minor 7, so that's the 2nd fret A string. It's gonna sound like this. Okay, and then the 3rd chord is an F major 7. So this is the 3rd fret, D string, 2nd fret, G string, 1st fret, B string. It's gonna sound like this. And then this last chord, I'm not really sure what it's called. It's like a C chord, but you take off that first that finger off the 1st fret, and so it's the 3rd fret A string and the 2nd fret D string. It's gonna sound like this. And matter of fact, if any one of you know what chord that could be, leave a comment down below. I'm not an expert. You know, I'm not a music teacher per se. I'm just showing y'all how to play some songs. So, but anyways, those are the 4 chords throughout the whole song. And with the strumming pattern and all that, that's up to you guys. It's up to your discretion. You know, that's part of your artistry. So, you know, I encourage you to play around and figure that out for yourself. But when you put it all together, it's gonna sound like this. Leaning, sort of fantasizing, that's not love, you're in, that's more like compromising. Okay, so it's like that throughout the entire song, basically. And so, yeah. All right, so that is it. I appreciate you guys watching. If this added value to you, please go ahead and leave a comment down below, and you know, hit the like button, and please consider subscribing if you want more videos like this. And I will see you guys on the next one.